Hi, this is Emma. In this video I will be showing you how to start using REVE Chat tickets. To start using the ticketing system, you need to log in to REVE Chat dashboard. Once you log in, press on the tickets from the left navigation. This is a newly created account, and the ticketing email is still not integrated. To start using REVE Chat tickets, you need to integrate your ticketing email first. So, click on the Integrate Now and it will take you to the email integration page. Once you land on this page, you need to add the business name and the email prefix. The business name is the name your customers will get in their email that this person has sent their replies or sent a message in their email. Therefore, this is the name for your business, and email prefix is the email name that your customer will get as the reply comes from, and also their reply will be received in this email and it will be visible to your ticketing email. If I move forward, it will give me a warning message that I won't be able to change this email. For this reason, make sure you choose something or choose an email that is related to your business. Therefore, confirming this will create my email. And my ticketing system is ready to use now. If I go to tickets, you can see the warning message has gone. And my ticketing system is ready to use. You can also add your email as a forwarding email that will be covered in another video. Thank you for watching this video and sign up in REVE Chat tickets.